हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम 2021 का लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस का पेपर 2 सॉल्व करेंगे। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग वाज probably the first issue system? Day book system. A footnote is a citation. Which organization provides DOI service and registration? Digital Object Identification. So IDF, that is International DOI Foundation. Which of the following is not data mining tool? Talent. Column classification was first published in 1933. Blank is a web software that searches journal articles and library catalog metadata in a unified index. It is known as discovery tool. Motiwale Award is being given to LIS teacher. What are the names of the cards in 3-card system? Register card, check card and classify index card. Blank is a title of Dr. S.R. Ranganathan's autobiography. A librarian looks back. Medlars is a premier bibliographic database in life science launched by US National Library of Medicine. IDA is a research data analysis. Who conferred the title Father of Library Science on Dr. S.R. Ranganathan? Sir Maurice Guire. ROR stands for Registry for Open Access Repositories. The principal reason for not compliance of Gujarat Public Library Act 2001 is lack of financial provision. Feedback mechanism is a part of which service? STI, that is Selective Dissemination of Information Service. The Digital Millennium Copyright Act is United States copyright law. P-notes are a distinctive features of Universal Decimal Classification Scheme. Periodicity of Slick bulletin is quarterly. Which one of the following would be correct evolutionary sequence? Bibliometrics, Librametrics, Informatics and Webometrics. Open Bulkhead program is initiated by OCLC. Alan Kent is the editor of Encyclopedia of Library and Information Science. As a ready reference tool, which part of New Encyclopedia Britannica is useful? Propedia. Which type of books will be weeded out into the library? Superseded edition. Which of the following is the first step in starting the research process? Identification of the problem. Libraries as a gateway to knowledge is the title of National Knowledge Commission on Libraries 2007. Annual withdrawal from the collection should average at least how many percentage of the collection? 5%. POP stand for Post Office Protocol. Cumulative book index is published from USA. SQL stand for Structure Query Language. Ethical standards includes compassion, loyalty and virtues of honesty. URL stand for Universal Resource Locator. According to whom an ALM means ask a librarian anything. Melville Dew. Gopher is a tool to access internet. Intellectual property right does not cover the following. The classroom lecture. Dewey Decimal Classification Scheme is published by OCLC. The concept of self-renewing library was introduced by Atkinson. Which organization has introduced the concept of sister libraries for children and young adults reading? IFLA. One of the following search engine is exclusively meant for scientific information. Skyrus. Identify the association that has changed its original name. LA. Who is the author of Putting Knowledge to Work? Pauline Athornett. Combination of any two more topologies is called as hybrid. Which among the following provides more bandwidth? Fiber optics. The first systematic approach of philosophy of the profession of librarianship was 5 laws of library science. RFID helps automation of circulation. Melville Dew started first library school in Columbia. The first PhD in library science in India was awarded to D.B. Krishna Rao. Notation is a shorthand sign was first stated by E.C. Richardson. Biophysics is an example of fusion. Who introduced human library service in Gujarat? I am Ahmedabad. The term management by objective was popularized by Peter Drucker. Ontology has originated from the following branch of knowledge: philosophy. UDC is an analytico-synthetic and faceted classification. INSPEC is published by Institute of Engineering and Technology. Science Finder database is published in the subject of chemistry. The column classification 6th edition was main class is 42. What is the suitable reference sources to find out the list of historical monuments of Ahmedabad? Forders, India. Indian National Bibliography is published by Central Reference Library, Calcutta. The pioneer of dictionary catalog is C.A. Cutter. PPBS stands for Planning, Programming, Budgeting System. In binary number system, digit 8 is 1000. Mean, median and modes are none of the above. So real answer is 3 measures of central tendency. Action research means a research initiated to solve an immediately problem. Online Europa yearbook has a coverage since 1985. The term expert system has roots in AI. Foxonomy is tool for social tagging. Frank and Lyndon Gilbert are associated with time and motion study. GPRS is used for geolocation. The principle of osmosis is applicable in reclassification. Shodh Gangotri consists of a research proposal. Which of the following is not a network protocol? Z39.50. How many modules are there in SOL 2.06? The term librometry was formally introduced in 1948 by E.J. Quartz. The motivation theory that is based on two stimuli motivator and hygienic factors is suggested by Herzberg. The birth of virtual library happened at North Carolina. Arrange the following in correct order: empirical phase, hypothesizing phase, deductive phase, and verification phase. While managing space library, one has to keep in mind floor is strong enough for books, smooth flooring for easy movement, reasonable temperature. Which of the following are canons given by Dr. S.R. Ranganathan? Canon of consistency, context, and currency. Techniques that can be used for studying information flow are all of the following. That is interviewing, flow charting and grid charting, comparison of information, decision tables. Which associations are Indian association? ILA and ISLIC. What is covered by the professional knowledge and skills? All of the above. The professional experience, generic skill, research skills, analytical skill. Match the following and select the correct answer from the codes. That is PCDA. Match the following and select the correct answer from the following: fusion, astrophysics, fission, metaphysics, cluster, Indology, agglomeration, humanities. Ascertain. A thesauri are hierarchical in structure and hence referred as taxonomies. Are thesaurus are taxonomy are not the same things. Both. A. Ascertain. Information society is one where all citizens are educated. Second reason, society of which more than 50% of population is involved in information activities. Both A and R true. R is the correct explanation of A. Ascertain. Encyclopedia is the queen of all reference sources. Reason, encyclopedia are more suitable for finding trend information. A is true but R is false. Assertion. Para-professional staff support the professional staff in library duties. Professional staff lack experience. Both A and R are false. LIS education is not uniform throughout India. Adoption of UGC model syllabus is not mandatory. Local LIS requirements vary. Both A and R true. Assertion. A special library serves to a specialist client. The collection of special library is relatively narrow in scope. Both A and R true, but R is not the correct explanation. Statement 1. Delphi technique helps managers and decision makers to make better forecasts and advice. Delphi techniques recognize human judgments as legitimate and makes useful inputs. Both statement A and